Kia ora, welcome to your first proper flat, kinda sorta. Te Pā is the on-campus student village for our students, and it's the perfect Oti Dunedin home for you to enjoy student life. It's a safe, supportive, inclusive and pretty fun community where you get to meet lots of new peeps all on the same journey as you. There's heaps of finished rooms to choose from. This is a single. This is a schmancy deluxe one. Ooh la la. We have apartments where you'll probably live on packet food, or you can have a catered option where you might actually eat green stuff. There's bike storage as well as parking, although it's pretty limited, and frankly, we're literally on campus. So you can basically stumble out of bed and be in class a few minutes later. We do recommend occasional shower though, which we also conveniently provide. You'll be right in the thick of all the student action, close to gyms, libraries and sports grounds, and it's just a short wander into the city centre, supermarkets, bars, cafes and all that good stuff. There's a laundry, the Wi-Fi is free, and unlike most flats, there's no surprise power bills. We have these great study rooms, and you can also get study help if you need it. There's also these massive TV screens, ping pong tables, PS4s, other games, and we put in heaps of different sorts of events and fun stuff and things. Safety and security is a top priority, so you can only enter with a swipe card, and staff are on site 24/7, like the manager and residential advisors. This is them here, posing for a photo. Amongst all the diverse people coming here, you'll be sure to find your peeps. So it's a great place to make best buds, get stuck into your studies and enjoy student life. Find out way more actual info on the website displayed here in helpful graphics.